Hey friends, if you wish to disable safeguards or feature updates on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. The procedure. So search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and open the registry editor. Go to HKey local machine, software, policies, Microsoft and Windows. Right click on Windows and select new key. Name it Windows Updates. Now in the right pane, we need to create it Windows Update, not updates. Okay, it's just update. And in the right pane, we will create a debug 32-bit entry named disabled WUFB safeguards. Okay, you can take a screenshot. Right click new debug 32-bit value and name it this. Now double click on it and change the value data to 1. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.